Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to connect BoostFloral to the Floral POS. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your BoostFloral website. You're going to want to click on the left-hand side, Your Shop, and then click on Integrations. Next step is click on the Floral POS integration. You're going to see API key name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it the Floral POS. And then click on Generate New API Key. Once the key is created, it's down here where active keys are. You can actually click on the little eyeball here to display the key, or the copy button to copy the API key. Go ahead and minimize the website. Inside the Floral POS, we're going to go to Control Panel to System Config 1 tab, and then down here for Website Config, click on the BoostFloral tab, and then you're going to want to click on Shop Assigned, your shop. Make sure you make it active. You're going to want to paste the key into here. And then for order source, you're going to want to select BoostFloral if it's available. Click on Save. And it's going to say BoostFloral API key verified. Make sure you install the BoostFloral service above. So next step, we're going to click on Install. And then the last step you want to do, if you want any order alerts to alert you, I generally go alert via message center or system tray, but you can also alert via printer, via text message or email. Make sure you click on save on that as well. And that's it. Now you'll start receiving orders from BoostFloral. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-865-9768. You can email us, support@thefloralpos.com. And as always, you can click on our smiley face. And we'll see you guys in the next video.